Founded in 1995, China Galaxy Pyrotechnics Company Limited is located in Taipingqiao Town near the beautiful and famous Liuyang River, and is about 40 kilometers away from Huanghua International Airport, with excellent geographical location and convenient transportation. Our company specializes in research, production, sales, and display. As one of the largest manufacturer and exporter for fireworks, we registered with 6 million RMB, with production base covers an area of 800 acres, existing plants more than 580 units, and employees over 300. Our company has an annual output value of 80 million RMB, and average annual tax has mounted to over 7 million for many years. China Galaxy Pyrotechnics includes several fireworks raw material factories and fireworks production factories. China Galaxy Pyrotechnics Company Limited, Joytime Fireworks, Galaxy Pyrotechnics Storage Space, Baijia Leading Wire Factory, Hongyuan Paper Mill. China Galaxy Pyrotechnics sets up departments such as R&D Department, Cake Production Department, Shell Production Department, Export and Domestic Business Department. Through the hard work of Galaxy staff, China Galaxy Pyrotechnics has now become one of the enterprises with high mechanization and automation, high degree of informatization, and tremendous strengths in Liuyang fireworks industry. We mainly produce cakes and shells, also provide Roman candles, rockets, toy fireworks, stage fireworks, and many series of items. With high quality, exquisite package, unique technology, safe discharge, our products are famous and popular worldwide. With the spirit of self-reliance, China Galaxy Pyrotechnics has won many prizes, such as Top 100 Chinese Fireworks Enterprises, Top 20 Liuyang Fireworks Exporting Enterprises, Quality Credit Rating AAA Enterprises, Tax Events Enterprise, and many other honors after 20 years of hard work. Our products have passed the ISO 9001-2008 Quality System Certification and CE Certification. Under the guidance of talent and technology promote enterprises, stable quality makes survival, good reputation leads to development, technology expands market, good management makes higher efficiency, security ensures stability policy, and by sticking to the principle of customer first, integrity first, China Galaxy Pyrotechnics has formed a pattern of scientific management, standardized plan, first-class technology, mature product diversification, thus results in first-rating products and service. Our products are sold domestically and widely exported to America, Europe, Russia, and other regions, which are warmly welcomed by domestic and overseas customers. Fireworks symbolizes happiness, harmony, and beauty, holding the concept of mutual benefits and win-win, pursuing constant innovation and technology, with more scientific and standardized management system, with good quality products and comprehensive service. China Galaxy Pyrotechnics is willing to make progress and create brilliancy with friends all over the world. We sincerely welcome clients from both at home and abroad to visit our company and factories to discuss our future cooperation.